Hi guys and welcome back. I'm very excited to be filming a bit of a different video today. I'm going to be filming and sharing my outfit every day this week, and they're going to be hopefully not too boring, wearable, realistic, for different types of events, whether it's working from home. I have a family party on the weekend, I have a few meetings, that sort of thing. The weather it's doing its London thing. Even though it's June, it's grey, rainy, but it is warm, so we'll kind of see how it goes with the weather. But before we move on to my outfits, I have a very exciting sponsor this week, and it is Anya Hay. I have been wearing their pieces for I think over a year now. In particular, these little tiny hoops I wear every single day pretty much are from Anya Hay, and I love them. Anya Hay is a UK based jewellery brand that, in my opinion, strikes a perfect balance between trendy and timeless. They do gold and silver. I have actually just gone for gold. They're very reasonably priced, especially for the quality, and you can wear them by themselves, you can layer them up. I have had a little look in here, I'm not gonna lie, and I am very impressed with everything. I'm also very impressed by my picks. I just think I'm gonna get so much wear out of everything that's in this bag, and I think it's gonna add a lot of value to my wardrobe. But let's unbox everything that I got. I think I have 5 pieces. Let's just take a lucky dip. Firstly, I have this ring. I love the look of lots of gold chunky rings, but I do find that it can be a bit tricky to find the right ones. I find that I always get a ring for this finger and not for my other one. So when I saw this ring, I was instantly drawn to it because it is adjustable. So if I wanted to wear it on my thumb, I could, or if I wanted to wear it on another finger, I also could. And actually that's exactly what I have been doing, because I have worn a few of these pieces. I honestly could not resist. But this is the ring, and because it doesn't join at the front, you can adjust it, and I just think it is beautiful. It's chunky, but it's still quite girly, and I just love this. Without a doubt, this is going to become one of my most worn rings. I just love it, and honestly, the adjustable part is probably the best part in my opinion, and love. Oh, I haven't shown you the packaging either. This is what the packaging looks like. It's just beautiful, and I have yet another ring, again an adjustable ring. I just love that. I want these pieces to really work with my current jewellery collection, so I just like that these rings can go on any finger. But that is the second one. Again, it is adjustable. This one though, it's adjustable around the back, so it doesn't close the whole way around, but very, very comfortable. This one's a little bit more dainty, but not too dainty. I still think it is noticeable and just really interesting organic shape. Then I also have a pair of hoops, and again, I have been wearing these. I'm gonna remove my current hoops, and part of the reason why I love these hoops so much is because they're so easy to put in and out. I'll link these as well. I think they're almost just kind of like a small version of my new ones, but these, I think for every day, it means I'm not going to lose the back of them, and honestly that happens more than I would like to admit. But these look like this. They are, I would say, just the perfect everyday hoop if you like a slightly bigger hoop, because they are also chunky, so they are quite noticeable. With my small earrings, these two will be without a doubt my most worn earrings over the next couple of months. I just love them. I just think they are the perfect everyday hoop. They're not too heavy, but they're still a substantial earring. They're not too big, so I don't think they look super casual. I love them. And then finally, I have 2 necklaces. I could have gone for a bracelet. I find that I'm not really overly a bracelet person. They have some nice bangles, but I love a necklace. I find that not wearing a necklace like now makes me feel really like naked, and it feels like my outfit's not finished. So the first one I went for was this one. I have a lot of necklaces and I do really like them, but I was missing something that was a little bit daintier and almost a little bit more formal, so that I could wear it with a fancier dress or to a wedding, like something like that. But I still wanted to be able to wear it during the day if I wanted to. So that's why I went for this one, which is an organic shape but has like a little diamond in it. The pendant is a nice size, and I find that the chain is a nice size too. The other thing that I didn't know until I received these from Anya Hay is that it does seem that they're very adjustable in terms of length, which I also love, because sometimes I want a slightly longer necklace and sometimes I want a shorter necklace. So I'm actually going to put this one on the shortest setting, I guess. It's just a lovely, very versatile necklace, I think. I've already worn this, I've received compliments on it, and I really love it. But because it is a little bit daintier, I also think you can really layer pieces up with it if you wish, if that's the look you like, and that is very much a look that I like. When layering, I do like to go for like a different style if possible, and I didn't really have a necklace that didn't have a pendant, and that's why I went for this really beautiful star necklace. It has 5 little stars. Since these are adjustable, I could go quite short with it or a little bit longer. I'm gonna go for, there's 4 different options here. So this one I'm going to put on the second longest setting. I want it to sit a little bit higher than the other one, but you can have this one quite short, which I think I would really like, but just it doesn't really work with this top, but it's great that is an option. And that's what those two look like together. And I just think they complement each other really well. I'm just very, very happy with all 5 pieces. I'll link as much as I can down below, but let's jump into my week in outfits. So it is Monday and we are starting, honestly, with quite an atypical outfit for me. Actually, I don't think it's like wildly atypical. It's just maybe not quite what I wear on a weekly Monday, but I am actually off to a concert and I really needed something fun. The truth is, fun is missing from my wardrobe. It's what I need to inject back into my wardrobe, and I'm gonna kind of work on that over the next couple of months. I didn't want to buy anything new and I wanted to be comfortable, and this is basically what I came up with. I'm not sure about the shoes yet. I've got little ballet flats on. These are really comfy. These are from FitFlop. I am gonna try on Converse. I might wear Converse, we will see. But these are my new look leopard jeans. I honestly get so much wear out of these. I would just say they come out a little bit big. Then I have this little top from Lindex. I love this top as well. Both pieces I really like. I like the shape of this. I like this colour on me, and I also like the leopard with the red. And then I think I'm gonna wear a coat over it. I don't know if I need it now, but I probably will wear it. This is quite a lot, obviously. This is a lot of leopard print, but I'm going to a concert and so it makes sense. I do think maybe this is a bit, I don't know actually, I think this is fine. I would have quite liked something like mesh, like a bit see-through, lace, or something sequined, but I just don't own either. That's not super Christmassy, or also not something I would really want to get on the tube with. So this is what I've gone for because I'm just comfy in this. And my bag, I'm going for this little blue one because honestly I have never ever worn it. It's really lovely. It's from Katie Loxton. I haven't filled it up yet though. It's just like, again, it's just not the obvious choice, so I quite like that. I don't think it's like the best non-obvious choice either, but it's fine. I'm gonna get my hair done there, so that's why my hair is messy. I'm gonna wear a pair of sunglasses because even if it's not sunny, I've got very sensitive eyes. I fake tanned a little bit because I find that that makes me look like I've made a little more effort. I've got a fair amount of makeup on and lots of gold jewellery. I'm really liking my chunky rings as well in particular. I just think those have really helped the outfit along. So I think accessories are so important. Oh, also these earrings, without a doubt, are going to become favourites. The closure makes them so easy. They're a great size. They're just such a standout. But that's what I'm wearing today. So it is Tuesday and I had a great time at the concert yesterday. It's a little bit later. It's late afternoon now. We are off to a pub quiz today. We do a pub quiz quite regularly and we actually won the last time, so we have a tab, which is very exciting. I had a whole working from home. I had a whole day working from home, and so I just wanted something that was like comfy. And I know it's June, but today was just one of those days where I wanted to wear a jumper, and I didn't even as to whether I wanted to wear something else, but I didn't. Like this is just what I would typically wear, and I didn't want to change it for this video. It was raining so heavily all day, and I think sometimes just being at home, especially like working from home at your desk, it can get quite cold, and so I just wanted like something cozy. And I'm a bit tired as well from yesterday, so this was just like the perfect outfit for me. These jeans are old. They are from Naked and I love them. I really like working from home in a pair of jeans. Wearing a pair of jeans makes me feel like I am dressed more than something like leggings or tracksuits. And these are super elasticy, so they are comfy, and these are without a doubt my favourite working from home jeans. They're nothing like special. I just find them comfy, whether I'm like cleaning, organising, working from my desk, gardening, like anything, I just wear these. And I obviously could get changed for a pub quiz, but I just don't really want to. We're going to be sat down for most of the time, like no one's really going to see what I'm wearing, and I've put on a little bit of makeup, like just enough I think. I've put on mascara, a little bit of concealer and a little bit of lipstick, and that is it. I do have little earrings on. These little earrings are from Anya Hay, and I have had these I think at least a year, if not longer, but it's a really long time, and they are my most worn earrings, I would say. I wear them so regularly, and I think they kind of like a smaller version of the new ones that I have. And then I've layered up my 2 Anya Hay necklaces. I really like the look of layered necklaces. I think when I've got like a really plain boring outfit, like adding jewellery really helps kind of look a little bit more put together. I'm gonna go for 1 ring. Honestly, partly because the other one's upstairs. If the other one was down here, I probably would go for it too, but I'm not going upstairs to get it. But I just think that like just a little bit of jewellery makes me feel put together. Even if I'm working from home, I will almost always wear these little tiny earrings, and if I'm wearing a jumper, I will put on a necklace as well. I just find that it makes me feel put together. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear a jacket because it's not actually cold. It's just rainy, and I'm going to throw on just a pair of trainers. I'll show you. It just is because they're comfy, and I'm just going to pop quiz basically. Good morning. It is Wednesday. I have a filming day, so I just wanted something like comfy that I can wear and still look presentable, particularly from the waist up. This little top is from Lindex. I really like it. It's the same as the red one that I wore on Monday is the same, except it's just red and got no sleeves. I also have the red one in white, and I love it. These jeans are old. They probably need an iron, but because I'm largely just working from home, I've been for a walk, so I've been out today, but the rest of the day is probably a working from home day. I have just on a pair of blue jeans from H&M, which probably need an iron, but I'm not gonna have an iron. My shoes are really old, from Mango. I bought these about 10 years ago, I would say, on sale in Portugal, for probably about like €6, and I really like them, but I don't get to wear them very much. And I feel that I would really like to have had a lighter belt, like not this colour, like a brown belt. I think would have been good. If I go out, which honestly I probably won't, I'm gonna wear this black bag just to kind of like tie these in a little bit. But like I said, I'm not overly happy with this part of it. Jewellery, all Anya Hay. I know the first part of my video was sponsored by Anya Hay, but I'm actually just wearing the jewellery because I'm really enjoying it. And that is it. I feel put together, but comfortable. I find jeans quite comfy, so I can work from home in jeans. But like I said yesterday, I prefer working from home in stretchy jeans. These aren't that, but they're still like comfy enough. And honestly, I probably won't be in this all day. At some point I will have to get changed today because I am shooting content. I don't know how long I'll actually be in this, but I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I have an event in the morning, so I'm actually going to try and pick what I'm going to wear today, but it's going to rain, so I honestly have no idea what to wear. I want to wear ballet flats, and I'd like to wear ballet flats and a waistcoat. Maybe I will actually. I'm just scared that my feet are going to get very wet in ballet flats, but I guess we'll see what I end up wearing. It's dark this morning. Might have to put my light on. But it is Thursday. I honestly feel like this is actually not that representative, this video, in terms of weather. I know London gets a bad rep for being very rainy, and it does rain in London, but it rains more per year, I think, in places like Lisbon in Portugal. It's very grey here, but we've also had a drought. It's just very rainy this week. But this morning I'm off to Selfridges. I've got an event there. It's a breakfast event, and so I wanted something that looks presentable, but it's also raining, and this is my only thing. I just need to come home and edit straight after. So I did toy with washing my hair, and then this morning I was tired and I didn't want to, because I washed it yesterday anyway. So I've got it in a little clip. My outfit is my favourite trousers. I wear these a lot. I do think they're getting a little bit old though. I've had them many years, maybe like 8 years, but they were big for me. Now they're probably like getting a bit small for me now, but I've had them for ages. My little top is from Lindex. I do like it, but I have tops that I like more. The one that I was wearing yesterday is Lindex, and I prefer that, but because I wore that yesterday, I'm not going to wear it today. I would if I wasn't filming this video, but I felt it's a bit boring. I'm wearing trainers. I know, boring, but it's raining. I just don't have any other suitable shoes really, so that's what I'm going for. My little trench. I hope I'm not going to be cold. I don't think I will be. Oh, my headphones in my pocket. I'm going to go catch the train, and then I've got a bit of a walk, so I need to make sure I've got an umbrella. And I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, oh, I've got another event tomorrow. Tomorrow I've got a hospital appointment and then a doctor's event. Tomorrow I've got a hospital appointment for a mole, and then an event. So I will see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is Friday. The weather's a little bit better today, so I thought I'd quickly show you my outfit. I am wearing this little waistcoat from New Look. I love this waistcoat. I think if you add one thing to your wardrobe this summer, it's a waistcoat. I have way too many and I really do love them. The colours to get are white, black, boring I know, or red. I love the look of a red waistcoat so much. This one has like a little cinch in your waist thing at the back, which I really like. And then my trousers are also new look. They are kind of casual trousers, but I feel like with this little waistcoat that dressed up a little bit, but I have worn these too much. I also sized up 2 sizes. Maybe not 1.5 size, I'd say. These are a 16, so they are very big for me. And my mum, I wore these on the weekend, and my mum was telling me, like, those are too big for you. Like, why did you buy them in that size? Like, they look ridiculous. But they've got a pull string, so I just, like, really pull them. Then I, like, shuffle all the as much fabric as I can to the back. But they're really comfy. And that is what I wanted and what I need. And then my shoes are just these really old ones from Next, but comfy, and they're nude, so they're not too offensive. So I just feel like they were the easy choice. I don't know what bag I'm gonna wear, I haven't decided yet. Jewelry, got my 2 necklaces on, both my rings and my earrings, so everything on today. And actually I was just like, actually I was on something, maybe Instagram, and oh no, I was watching a vlog and someone was wearing like a one-shouldered kind of top, and they had like 2 little hoops in their top, and I thought, oh my gosh, I don't know if the top came with the hoops. I thought, oh my god, I could do that. This isn't what they're designed to do, obviously, but I honestly think these hoops are perfect for that. It doesn't really work with this outfit, but I thought I would just show you because it popped into my head today. Like I said, it doesn't work with this really. Imagine this were like a one-shouldered top. How cute would this little like bit of interest be? I am without a doubt doing that this summer. I'll see you tomorrow for my penultimate outfit. Okay, so I'm having to film this very quickly because we are running a little bit late. We are off to a communion today. Oh, I feel like you can't really see me from your height. But I am wearing this dress and these little heels. The heels are Primark, I really like them. And this dress is from New Look. The dress is should be in stock at the moment. We are going to a communion, don't know if I said that. And I just wanted to wear something that was like comfy, dressy but not too dressy, and I feel like this, I could easily wear this to the park, but equally I feel like it's dressy enough for this. My bag, I was a bit unsure because I feel like I don't really have the best bag collection, but I've decided to go for this one because there's a little bit of blue in my dress, and so I think that works very well. I'm going to put on a trench because I think it might rain. We'll see. So these sandals, wrong decision, but we're just going to go with it for now. So it is Sunday and I thought I'd very quickly show you my outfit. Really nothing special. I often reach for this blouse as kind of just like a quick go-to top. It's white and I really do think white suits me. It's probably, in my opinion, up there with one of the colours that suit me the most. I am a cool winter. I've got a whole video on my colour consultation, but I've had this top for ages. It's just comfy, it's light, it is warm today. It's 22 degrees, not predicted to rain. I don't love this part. I tried tucking it in, didn't really work, so we're just gonna rock with it. It's fine. I feel like I could remove it, but I don't want to then like regret it and not be able to put them back, so I'm just gonna wear them. These jeans are my H&M barrel leg jeans. I just find them super comfy. I'll pan down a little bit, and then I'm just wearing my Birkenstocks. Boring, I know, but just easy, comfy, it's casual. Got my earrings, my jewelry. I'm just going for a casual lunch at my mum's, so I just thought it would be an easy outfit. I'm gonna wear this bag. I've had this bag for really long and I feel like I haven't really worn it very much, but I'm gonna start because it's kind of an awkward colour, but equally it's not like too in your face, so I think I can kind of wear it with anything, and I'm probably going to start doing that. Well, my Birkenstocks sometimes fart, which is very annoying, but that is what I'm going to wear today, and I will, I guess, not see you tomorrow because that's the end of this week. But I really hope you enjoyed it. Like this video if you did. Down below are all my links to Anya Hay. Honestly, I think you'll see this like going forward into my other videos on my Instagram and on my TikTok. I really genuinely love these pieces, especially the rings, especially the earrings. The necklaces are also really beautiful, but the rings and the earrings are undoubtedly going to be on me at least every other day, I think, if not every single day. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see some more, maybe I could do like a holiday version, a week in holiday outfits. I think maybe that'd be fun. I don't know, let me know. But thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next week with another video. Bye.